Welcome to another chapter now. We would understand the essential requirements to become a Kisansathi. Who can be a Kisansathi? Local agricultural business individuals, FPO managers or agri-input shop owners, employees field executives working part-time, agriculture students, unemployed candidates who are looking for upskilling and income opportunities in agriculture. Required qualifications. Do you think you have the drive but lack the required qualifications? Don't worry, our training modules will help you get in-depth knowledge from basic to advanced latest technologies and practices. Age group. There is no specific age group to become a Kisansathi. This position is open to anyone with the zeal and enthusiasm to make it big in agriculture. Summary. There is no specific qualification or age bar to become a Kisansathi. Any individual with the zeal to help farmers can become a Kisansathi. In the upcoming chapter, we will learn about how you will execute your role of being a Kisansathi.